You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. We have a new Mini NES Classic. We have a new year. New Mini NES Classic systems are coming out. They're still producing all of... It's serious. It's unbelievable. After all those reviews, I have maybe reviewed, let's say about 10 of these systems. And they're still making new ones. So, what did they improve or swapped out? So, this one got 557 games. That's a little weird amount. It's still got composite. So, we are from the composite back from... First we had composite, then we have HDMI, and now we're back to composite. But we have wireless handles. So, yeah, we can play wireless. Ooh. This is what we're going to get. I'm very curious. Let's do an unboxing, people. I want to know, how can you open it? How can you open it up? And this is what we are get. Hey, this is very unique. It's funny. Two wireless handles. Indeed. Power supply. Wow, a very short, flimsy AV out cable. A piece of toilet. Wow, this is a long time I've seen a piece of toilet paper manual that is pretty damn basic. And a little adapter for the power supply. Let's do a little bit of what we're going to get. Let's take a close look at the system itself. They have their own, let's say, unique design. They swapped it out. The first generation was a rip-off of the original one. Sometimes a really one-on-one copy, but no. Nowadays they have their own family computer system, games power system. Alright, a wireless controller. On and off switch here. Oh, it seems to be they have... Wow, we can charge it. Okay, that is a new one. Normally you always need to use batteries. Oh, got a little bit of these round buttons. That's new. Ooh, very clickish. But then overall, they look very nice. So yeah, the only thing we can do now is hook it up. Let's see what kind of games we have and how does the signal output is and etc, etc, etc. Let's go. Alright, this is where we're going to get when powering on the system. Okay, wait. Wait, go back to the box. What does the box says? The box says 557 games built inside. Why does it say 380? Oh my god. But the music makes it good. Listen. Oh yeah, let's take a close look at the games that are on it. Alright, this starts great. Mario 10, 14, 16, they're all homebrew games. Oh, the controller's really responsive. One big mess, if you ask me. Mortal Kombat, oh man, the Mortal Kombat 4 rip-off game. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Alright, alright. Pizza Boy. A lot of homebrew games. I go to the end of the list, but I can tell you already, I am not, I'm not really happy. Oh, they even put two games on it. The same games. So we're back at the 90s again with all those double games. I see a lot of familiar games, a lot of homebrew games that really sucked. So yeah, let's play some games. Let's play some homebrew games. I hear a very big interference in the sound. I don't know if you can hear it. Alright, we have this Jackie Chan game that they put Mario in. I've seen it a lot on cheap portable systems. Wow, a lot of screen tearing. Push the fork. Oh yeah, the cheap ass way of just spamming. Oh wait, we're going to use the turbo button and pressing up all of the time. How do you clear a game? Let's try another game. Or something saying about Chip and Dale? Oh yeah, the homegrown game. Alright, yes. Yeah, I'm trying to find the right buttons to play. Well, okay, this is just... Seriously? They ripped off and of course the one opposite over here. Fireball. Oh, how original. They even used the sounds. This one too? What? What just happened? Oh, I can get hit. Alright, not bad at all. We got the fighting game, the Kung Fu game. And we have all the sounds here. Oh. Ow. Wow, come on, Wicked. Oh yeah, hit him in the balls, hit him in the balls. Works every time. Come on. Oh! What? I am a little bit, I'm big disappointed, big time, because this is the newest version out there, the 8-bit system. They did some swap or changes with the console itself, so I was thinking, maybe they have learned, no HDMI, alright, there's no HDMI, AV out, alright, so it's for an old television, or you need to do, let's say, adding a converter for your new televisions, but the controller itself, it's not bad. For a cheap system like that, I really like it. Responsive, feels nice, so in overall this is very good. But the games, it's serious and one big nightmare. They say that there's more over 500 games, now I only having more than 300 games. And all of the games are homebrew or rip-offs. And for example, they have named the game Paperboy and it's a totally different game. So this is, I think, one of the most horrible mini NES clone system I have seen.